And that's today we will make quick method how to add dynamics to your animation. And so we make moving shadow. Its first example and its second example. The first and simplest method on round object is it follows. We divide the object in the expression on the object into different rails. As an example, I draw an animated basketball. In such way we have to make shadow on both the ball and the inscription in order to give ball more volumetric sphere. I just duplicate this drawing from the ball and put forward the color change. Now you only need to change the overlapping modes. A half of case is done. Now you just need to understand where the light source is. For example, here. Next is setting the ball shadow, glare and another shadow, the parameter rotation, ball, and see the magic. In principle, after this animation will remain, but some that this detail will add to the animation more realistic. The first method is done. Let's start the second method. Second method is for big objects. I'm animate dog. Just like in first method, we duplicate object to forward and change overlapping modes to body, to mouse, and to head. And change overlapping mode. Select all layers and make null object where parent all object, and if you move null, the animation is done. Okay, so let's start. Pen, select all layers, as you can see, parent, and let's move in. Okay, is done. Let's create position. And it's like this. It's more smallest animation what this null can do.